Welcome to the Ideas Step 3 module. This step is part of the Intervention, Design, and Analysis Scorecard tool for creating integrated total worker health interventions. This video will give you a basic introduction of how to complete Ideas Step 3 as you work through the Ideas process. The goal of Ideas Step 3 is to identify criteria that you will use to select and evaluate intervention activities. This step provides a decision tool for preparing intervention options in Step 4 of the Ideas process. Until this point in the Ideas process, you have identified root causes of a safety or well-being concern, and you have brainstormed several solutions and activities for addressing the root causes. Setting selection criteria in Ideas Step 3 can help you make a judgment about how effective and feasible the activities are and which one you want to develop with a business case. Before we begin, there are some key terms you should know. Selection criteria are evaluation measures. The design team sets and uses selection criteria to estimate the expected effectiveness and feasibility of the solution activities that were brainstormed in Ideas Step 2. Selection criteria are the same as key performance indicators, a term preferred by some organizations. In the Ideas process, we consider 4 types of selection criteria. Scope refers to the people you intend to help with the intervention. How many people and which ones will be targeted? Benefits refer to the outcomes you want to achieve with the intervention. What specific improvements do you want to see after implementing the intervention? Think about short-term benefits, such as changes in attitudes and behaviors, and longer-term benefits, such as fewer accidents and cost savings. Resources. What resources are currently available, and are there other parameters or context issues that need to be considered? Think in general terms for this criteria. Obstacles are anything that is likely to work against the intervention being considered. For example, are there major organizational changes, delays getting equipment, or a possible resistance to change? It is vital that the design team understands the key definitions of these selection criteria before moving forward, as they will be used again in Ideas Steps 4, 5, 6, and 7. Ideas Step 3 is an important opportunity for design team and steering committee members to think together about the most important outcomes they want to achieve. Getting on the same page early in Ideas Step 3 will help with Ideas Step 4 and 5 when it's time to rate and select interventions to implement. A joint meeting can bring managers up to speed about the issue area and how the design team has applied total worker health thinking for problem solving. When you finish developing the selection criteria, use the worksheet in the design team handouts to document your decisions. You will use this worksheet as a decision tool when completing Ideas Step 4. In the next video, we'll review Ideas Step 4, form interventions and apply selection criteria. Congratulations, you are one step closer to making a positive change for safety, health, and well-being in your organization. This concludes the Ideas Step 3 training module.